Handling children with severe physical disabilities at home, Part 2, Positioning in Semi-Reclined Position. Children with severe physical disabilities have difficulty in maintaining sitting posture without support of straps and side supports. They need custom-made wheelchairs and furniture to sit. In this picture, you can see wheelchair with headrest, trunk and hip side pads, knee separator, and straps for trunk and hip. Children with severe physical disability would sit better and function better if the wheelchair can be tilted slightly backwards, like shown in the second picture. These are some accessories used to support in sitting on wheelchair or furniture. First, trunk support strap. It can be cross strap as in the first picture or straight as in the last picture. Next is hip support. It should go above or below the hip joint, not on the hip joint. Because if it goes on the hip joint over the bone, it can cause pain and discomfort. These kind of cushions should be used on wheelchairs. As the child sits on wheelchair for many hours, there are chances of developing pressure sores. Usually, these cushions reduce the risk of pressure sores. Child should with his bottom resting on the square-shaped portion that is cut on the top as seen in the last image. If you cannot get this cushion, you can even use normal square cushion. This is a donut cushion. This also helps in relieving pressure from the bottom. This is available ready-made. Some wheelchairs come with inbuilt seat cushions, supportive straps and side pads. In this position as seen in the image, body relaxes as there is a recline. The child can focus on activities then. Their head and body will not drop forward and the body will not slide forward. They can use their tab or even have their leisure activity in this position. If the child is comfortable without a tilt, then he can even sit in neutral position. This is a good position for learning and vision stimulation activities. You can make this strap alone and use it on any other chair as well. For children who have difficulty holding head up, and if head keeps dropping, and if that hinders the child's participation in activities and learning, it is better to use a soft collar while doing those activities. You can make a soft collar at home. Watch video on how to make neck collars to make neck collar at home. How to take measurement of neck collar. In this image you can see A is the neck circumference, that is for the length of the collar. When you make neck collar, leave extra 6 inches length to the neck circumference. This length can be used to tie together in front so that the chin can rest on it. And B is the height of the neck, from the triangle shaped part of the neck to the lower part of the chin, that is the height of the collar. Usually the height of collar for children below 3 years is 1 inch, and for children 3 to 5 years it is 1.5 inch, and children 5 to 8-9 years it can be 2 inches, and above 9 to 10 years it can be 2.5 inches. The neck circumference you should measure. For each child it varies. These kind of simple adapted chairs can be used in class as well as home for learning, for doing hand activities, for using communication aids, when chatting with family, eating, watching TV, playing indoor games and so on. The furniture can have a tilt if the child needs it, or it can even be without a tilt. Both the wheelchair and the furniture that the child uses should have same kind of adaptations and accessories like the straps, cushion and all the other adjustments. In active wooden furniture, tilts can be given comfortably up to 10 degrees. So if the child needs more tilt for eating, then it should be better to use a wheelchair for eating. Beanbag is another comfortable position to lie down in semi-reclined position and to relax. Child can watch TV or listen to stories when someone reads out to him in this position.